Thank you, and I thank the gentleman for yielding and for his leadership on this very important issue. Every dollar Washington takes from small businesses is a dollar they don't have to invest in new equipment, expand operations, hire a new employee, or provide higher pay and better benefits. And particularly in the Obama economy, businesses are already pinned down by uncertainty and need all the flexibility they can get to adapt and grow. This legislation will strengthen our economy and spur greater investment by permanently giving small businesses organized as S corporations the ability to access capital without tax penalties. As noted at our committee hearing earlier this year, a permanent 5-year built-in gains period would provide greater flexibility in the day-to-day operations of S corporations that have built-in gain assets in order to make new investments and create jobs. I urge support for H.R. 4453, the S Corporation Permanent Tax Relief Act, so we can create an America that works by fixing the tax code to provide permanent tax relief for small businesses. I yield back.